Today I came across Google Trends. They have a years in search 2019, and this is what was trending in 2019 in the United States. And I'm interested in one of their category, trip to which country. And right here I see Maldives as number one, and I don't know where Maldives is. So I was interested to find out this country, and then I also see Vegas is number four, and Costa Rica is number 10. They only show the top 10. So I go to the individual Google Trends to compare. I was just comparing the difference between this and Japan, and I realized Japan was uh, actually doing much better than Malibu. And you can see Vegas is actually number one. So this trend in 2019 doesn't really match with the past. Doesn't really match when I actually do the comparison. So here's the breakdown by subregion. Um, the only winner to go to Mexico is New Mexico States. There's 51% of people searching for trip to Mexico. Mexico. Yeah, the pink, the purple one is Mexico. So you can do the comparison yourself, and then uh, this was kind of surprising to me that this has such it's kind of like very way off. So when I did this, it's all category, or I can try with travel also. Travel, and then the result is the same.